Today is March 25th and it is the perfect time to do a spring reset because I am desperately in need of it. First of all, the weather was not that great. I just came back from my hometown and today it just happened that there are spring vibes in the air. I haven't even unpacked my suitcase, so it is gonna be the first step, and I also need to do the laundry, and then after that I want to clean and organize my whole apartment. It's gonna be a deep clean. After that, you know, setting some goals for spring. Yeah, so I thought that I would pick up the camera and take you along with me so you can take some inspiration from my spring reset routine. So enough talking. Also, please ignore how I look right now because I haven't taken care of myself for a while. So let's get started. Good morning from day 2 of the spring reset. Today I'm really dedicated to cleaning and organizing my apartment. Yesterday it was great. I just unpacked and put stuff away that were in my suitcase, and I also took my everything showers. I feel so clean right now, thank God. Yeah, I have so much to do right now, so let's get into it straight away. Okay, so I have my glasses on. I figured that it's been a while since I've painted my nails, I usually go by my natural nails, but I wanted to have some spring inspired nails, so I have two colors that I picked. This one is a light pink. This is such an everyday color. I love it so much. And this one is sea foam. It's like lightweight white. I think I'm gonna do a combination of these. We will see how it goes. I'm gonna start with my calcium gel right here because I want to protect my nails. Watching the traders in the background. Yes.
Because I wanted my chances. More reasons why, Michael. I can verify what I.
Here is the final result. I am absolutely in love. Like, this is the most natural looking pink tone ever, and I love it so much. I am getting ready to head out. So today's plan in summary is I want to go out, get some fresh air. Spring is definitely in the city, so I want to take advantage of this beautiful sunny weather to buy myself flowers. I'm gonna be hunting for tulips, also try out iced matcha for the very first time in my life, and then grab those, head back home, and do my planning for the rest of this spring season, setting up my goals and some intentions. So we will see how it goes, but it's gonna be really great. Let me just finish my makeup really quick and then we will head out.
Street light silhouettes, your hair was on the chest. We saw the stars, they aren't shining quite as bright like years apart. Take your love, take my love.
So quick update, I found this beautiful corner and I've been spending my last 30 minutes here taking photos. But look what I found, guys. Now I'm on my way to the matcha shop. It should be nearby here, so I'm heading there. Let's go. Okay, I am finally home. It was such a beautiful weather and I definitely took my time. I'm gonna be honest, I took a million photos. I've been chatting with baristas, playing with cats. So now what we're gonna do is that I've been wanting to update the decor of my workspace. We're gonna change a few stuff, maybe like my candle. And of course, first things first, we're gonna put our tulips to our vase.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us wanted to grow up. But now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple. Now they're all memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping?
All right, it took me a while, but I'm finally done with the rest of this spring reset, which was planning the rest of April and the upcoming month, which is May. First things first, I've been putting my health in the back burner for a while because I've been eating a lot of trash foods, which is normally not me. So I decided to put myself the limit of having a treat food for max 3 times a week. And I also don't feel like I'm restricting myself too much. And the other thing is hydrating myself enough. So I have the goal of where is that bottle? Okay. So this is the usual picture that I have. So this one is just 1 liter. Filling this up first thing in the morning and then finishing this one and not worrying about the rest of the water that I need to consume. This is how we go about it. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this ambience right now? I have a candle going on here, which is giving the whole vibes. And also my tulips, oh my god, like these are my literal favorite. And my matcha, like I'm loving this moment right now. Going back to our goals, I've yet again updated my workout routine, and in that workout routine I've added my handstand practices again because I've been practicing it for a long time and I finally want to get my handstands. I need to work on my balance definitely, and also I want to get my splits and I want to do some back bends. So I definitely have a stretching routine right now. So according to that, I also have my fitness and my Aikido classes, so it's gonna be a lot, but it's gonna be fun. So for Monday I have legs and back bend stretching practice. For Tuesday, complete upper body and handstand practice. Wednesday, glutes, also my Aikido class. And Thursday, running and handstand practice. For Friday I have my Aikido class again with complete upper body workout that day. For Saturday, glutes, handstand practice, and also a 10-minute abs. And for Sunday, Aikido again, and specifically working on my splits. I am so happy with this layout right now. I believe this summer I'm gonna be much more flexible, and I will definitely update you on that. If you want a more like detailed, like how I come up with my workout routine and all that stuff, I'm planning to shoot another video dedicated to this, so stay tuned if you're into that. My main intention for this spring season is to stop being a homebody. I have been spending so much time alone. I already live alone, and when I don't go out, I'm basically spending a long time so much. But I want to put myself out there, like meet new people, socialize, try out new things, and also see around the city, especially like considering that Tulip Festival is here. So on my list, I have the plan of being a tourist in my own city, seeing different places, going to different places that I've never been to, because Istanbul is a huge city. And the very last thing is changing my hair color. I want to go like really light brown between caramel blonde and brown. It should happen soon because I have deadlines for myself. So that is another thing going on, and it looks like I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you so much for watching. That was everything for my spring reset. I definitely feel like I got my life finally back together. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. See you next month. Bye.
At some point